Buying a major home appliance is an important decision and a big purchase. It's important to know before you go. Make sure you visit www.bigboxappliancereviews.com.
Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews. Guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer. Over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hey guys, it's Dante. Welcome back. This week we're going to go over why you should replace your washer's water lines. So you just bought a new washer, you have the old hardware, we have our water lines right here for connecting. Why should you replace them? Well, I'm going to show you right here. This one is our old one. This one is our new one. So as you can tell, this one has a bunch of guck and dirt, grime and all that, and a little bit of rust. As you can tell, this one nice and clean, and that gasket is nicely intact. Over the years, depending on how long you have your unit, that gasket could start to give way, could start to rip, tear, etc. And what that issue could run into is when you're connecting your washer up, you can get a very small leak or a not full connection or seal on there. So that's going to cause some slight water dripping, just not full connection on that water line. Plus, it's just going to ensure that those lines are going to last, they're going to hold up. You don't have to worry about it. You already bought a new washer. Why not get spend the extra $20, $25 to get new water lines? And that way, you have peace of mind, everything is good. That's all I really have for you guys today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Come back next week. Thank you.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.